Hi friends, this is your Lesson 10 exit ticket. So we've been comparing numbers to figure out which one is greater or less than or equal to. So you're going to do the same kind of thing on this exit ticket today. The only difference is you are going to be looking at these two numbers, okay? Some are written in that standard form, some are written as tens and ones, okay? So you're going to need to look at the numbers on each side of this box. And first, you're going to circle which words make sense when you are reading this across like this, okay? So for example, it says 29, and you're gonna pick one of these statements to compare it to this number over here, okay? Well, first of all, what number does 2 tens and 6 ones equal? Okay, you can write that number right here so you can have the visual. And then you're gonna look at the two numbers to compare them, okay? Remember, you look at the tens first. If the tens numbers are the same, then you've got to look at that ones place, okay? So when I'm reading 29 is greater than 2 tens and 6 ones, 29 is less than 2 tens and 6 ones, or 29 is equal to 2 tens and 6 ones, okay, friends? So then you're going to write, once you've circled one of those, you're going to write these numbers down here on these lines, okay? So you're going to put 29 down here, and then put 2 tens and 6 ones into standard form, which we know is 26. Yes, I just gave you the answer. Then in this circle, you're going to put the symbol that makes this true, okay? So you're going to think about that alligator or that shark mouth. 29 is over here, 26 is over here. Remember, that mouth always wants to eat that bigger number, so you need to put the correct symbol in here. Here are those symbols again up here, okay? But you need to fill in this circle. So you need to do that for each one. Fill in or circle which of these makes sense when you're reading it from left to right, just like we read words. And then put these numbers down here and then figure out what symbol goes in that circle.